Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and today in this React tutorial I will discuss about useRef React tools. So guys, first of all we have to understand why we use useRef React tools. So here is the two things. First of all, we can handle DOM using useRef React tools and it is mutable. Okay. So guys, now in this video I will discuss how we can handle our DOM using useRef React tools. And guys, if you don't know what is DOM, so here you can see this React. Okay. So that's why I have added .js file. But if it would be HTML, so that time we write .html file. Okay, means guys, inside this .html file or .js file in React, whatever we write, so that is called DOM. Like here, this is component, and here I have added one input file and another is button. Means this input and this button, this div, those are DOM. Okay, if I show you the preview, so here you can see this is input file and this is button. Okay, so now guys, here how we can handle DOM using useRef. Suppose guys, here the scenario is when I will click this button, that time I will change the background color of this input file. Means guys, I'm changing something in DOM. Okay, because this input file is DOM, so when I'm changing the background color, means I'm changing DOM. Okay, so that time we can use useRef React tools. Okay, in normal HTML file, how we do it? In normal HTML file, we just take an ID. Okay, and based on this ID, we just change our DOM. But in React, we take useRef React tools. Okay, so first of all guys, here for using useRef React tools, we have to import this. Okay, so here I will write import and curly braces. Okay, and here I will import useRef. So R is the capital of useRef and its import from React. Okay, so from React. Okay, so it is imported, and now here we take ID in normal HTML file, but guys, here in React we just take it useref, and here we take ref. Okay, so means guys, ref means reference. Okay, short form of reference is ref. So here, but you don't write here reference, you have to write only ref. And like we take ID and the ID name, like simply first if I show the normal HTML, so that time we write like this ID and here ID name like demo. Okay, but guys, in React we don't use ID, we use ref. So here instead of demo we are writing here I will write. Okay, so this is ref, it is done. And now here this demo I have to denote as an useRef. So what I will do, just simply here I will take an variable const, and this one I have to take as a variable. Okay, demo means this one, and this one I will define as an useRef and parenthesis. So this is the syntax. Okay, so now this is done. So now if I console this demo, so you can see this input. Okay, so now our motive is to change background color when I will click this button. So that's why here I have to write a on click method. So on click, and the method name, whatever you want to add, you can do that. So I have written the method name is this one. Okay, and now here I will write function. Okay, instead of function I will make it fed arrow function. So equals to arrow like this, and here I have to write one variable that is called const. And now guys, here this demo variable. Okay, so this demo dot, here one syntax you have to write, that is called current. Okay, so why we write current here? Because here when we change anything, so demo means this input field. So this input field, what is the current status? Current status is the background color is white, but this current status I want to change in another color. So that's why this demo current status like this, and style. Okay, style dot background, like when we use normal HTML, so that time same thing we write like document dot get element by ID, and then ID name. Like here we write like this way, document dot get element by ID, and the ID name like demo. Okay, and after that we write dot background color. So you can see it is showing in suggestion. Okay, background color, you can add any color name. So I will add here red. Okay, this is done. So this is for normal HTML. Okay, and this ID in React we use ref, but in normal HTML we write this ID, that is demo. Okay, means like this. Okay, so I'm using React right now, so I will not use ID here, I will use this ref. Okay, and now here you can see I have started to write style dot background color, same thing like whatever I had written here. So I will cut from here because I don't want to write again and again. So just same thing I will add here. Okay, because in React and HTML it is almost same, just here we use ID, but in React we use ref. Okay, you can see. So now it is done, and I will say, and I will check the browser. Okay, but here if you have any doubt, so you can write in comment section about your doubt. I will try to solve your doubt. Okay, so now I will go to the browser, and here you can see this is button. So if I click this button, so see background color is changed to red. Okay, because here you can see I have added this demo. Demo means this reference, and this reference current status was white, but now I change the current status is background red. Okay, this is done. So by this way you can handle DOM. Okay, if you want to add any other thing, like instead of styling, you can focus this thing like when I will click this button, so that time our cursor will be focused on here. Now see, here now cursor is not focusing. If I click this button, cursor is not focusing here, but you can do that by this useRef. Like simply here you have to write focus. Okay, this method. Okay, now if I save or reload, so let's see, if I click, so see it is focusing. Okay, so this way you can handle DOM in React. Okay, and this is very simple thing, not a complex. Okay, but again if you have any doubt, so you can write in comment section, or you can follow me on Instagram, or you can write a message in Instagram. So both are fine, but I suggest to write in comment. Okay, and guys, if you like this video, so don't forget to like, and if you want to more update, so please subscribe my channel and also press the notification bell icon.